Welcome back to Hustle Harder PH. This is May, and in this video, I'll show you how to set up this passive income stream in one click using this completely free software by leveraging a simple Google trick. And, guess what? You don't need to start with any money, you don't need your own website, and this has nothing to do with affiliate marketing. Also, if you find this video useful, consider subscribing with notifications turned on. As a result, I will notify you whenever I come across a new and innovative way to make money online. And don't forget, I have a special bonus for you at the end of this video, so make sure to stick around and keep watching all the way until the end. Now let us get started. So, let's start with step 1, which is visiting news.google.com. Step 2 will take you to Google News, which is a news aggregator service developed by Google where you can find the most up-to-date news from all over the world. You can see all of these different categories on the left-hand side, including your country, what's going on in the world, your local news, as well as business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. If you click on a business right here, you'll find all of the most recent business news, whether it's from your own country or from around the world. Moving on to step 3, this news will be updated every couple of hours, and new articles will be published on a specific topic, which in this case will be business. As you can see, this one was posted an hour ago, this one was 14 hours ago, this one was 11 hours ago, and so on. As a result, you can open any of these articles and use them to generate income online. So, for example, a flight to space with Jeff Bezos aboard Blue Origin's New Shepard sold for $28 million. Will be used. Now all we have to do is click on this particular article. And that will bring us to this page. As you can see, this is the entire article that you can use to make money, and I'll show you how to do it. I'd like you to copy this article for this step. For the purposes of this video, I'm just going to copy 2 sentences from this article to demonstrate how this works and how you can profit from these articles on Google News. Moving on to step 4, all you have to do now is visit quillbot.com. Quillbot.com is a free online tool that will professionally rewrite those articles for you. As a result, you can use them to make money online for free over and over again. So, all you have to do now is paste your article into this box and click paraphrase. It will also completely rewrite the article. The best part is that it's all done for you at no cost to you. So, on the left, we have the original article, and on the right, we have the reworked article, which is now unique and ready to use. With a single click of a button, I can now copy this rewritten article and use it to make money online. And you can do the same thing with all of the articles from various categories that are available on Google News, which come in every couple of hours, giving you thousands upon thousands of articles to choose from, each of which can make you money again and again. And later in this video, I'll give you some free bonuses that will help you make even more money, so stay tuned. Moving on to step number 5, you have 2 options for making money with those repurposed articles. The first one is not going to make you that much, but the second one can make you thousands of dollars. In fact, it has actually made tens of thousands of dollars for lots of people from all over the world. Before I proceed, I'd appreciate it if you would like this video, which I put a lot of time and effort into, and subscribe to my channel with notifications turned on. And if this video receives 2,000 likes, I'll release a brand new video the following week showing you how to make even more money online by doing simple tasks like this, from the comfort of your own home. Now let's get back to the video. Textbroker.com is now the first and least expensive option. Textbroker.com collaborates with major corporations such as Yoast, Staples, eBay, and others. This platform will compensate you for the articles you write. Of course, you won't have to write those articles yourself because, as I just demonstrated, you can have them written for you for free with a single click of a button by employing a simple Google trick to make money online. All you have to do now is go to textbroker.com and select I write content from the drop-down menu. And that will take you to the next page, where you can find out more about how to make money by writing articles for TextBroker. TextBroker's registration is completely free, and you can start earning money right away by writing various articles. You can now calculate how much money you will make by going to the payment section right here and clicking on more information. As you can see, you will earn $50 for 1,000 words. On Google News, you can literally find a lot of articles that are 1,000 words long. As a result, the higher the earnings, the longer the article is. You will earn more money if your articles are longer and better. So, if you write 12,000 words, you could earn up to $600. The best part is that you can repeat the process. However, keep in mind that this method will not earn you nearly as much money as the second method of earning money with free articles. To get started with TextBroker, simply click on a free author registration right here, create an account for free, and begin earning money from your articles. The second way to profit from those free articles is to use freelancing websites such as Fiverr.com, freelancer.com, truelancer.com, guru.com, quickengigs.com, peopleperhour.com, upwork.com, and so on. There are many different freelancing websites that you can use, not just Fiverr, because using more of them will allow you to earn significantly more money. So, if you sell on 10 different freelancing websites, your earnings can be multiplied by 10. However, if you only sell on one website, you'll only be able to make money from those articles in one way. As a result, the more you do it, the more money you'll be able to earn. So, if you go over to Fiverr.com and search for article writing, that's going to show you all of these various individuals who earn money by writing simple articles. But, because they are doing it themselves, they are doing it the hard way. As a result, writing those articles takes a lot more time and effort for them. Customers, on the other hand, despise having to wait. After all, no one enjoys waiting. And, because you'll be able to deliver those articles almost instantly, you'll be 10 steps ahead of your competitors, allowing you to earn more money. And you can see that it works. For example, this person offered this service for $35 and received 289 sales, resulting in a profit of over $10,000. This person charges $40 and has made over 300 sales. This person charges $80 and has made 124 sales, and so on. These are all examples of how it works. These individuals are all earning tens of thousands of dollars by writing simple articles. And that's just on one freelancing site, Fiverr, which is extremely competitive. As a result, I strongly advise you to use the other freelancing websites as well. And, as I mentioned earlier in this video, you have a variety of Fiverr options. The more freelancing websites you use, the more you will be able to maximize your earnings. This method is really simple and it's absolutely free. The best part is that it works all over the world. And that's it. Check out my other videos if you like this type of content, and if you do, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. Please leave any additional questions in the comments section below. We hope to see you in the next video.